So this will be our movement for the day on Swiss franc JPY. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, with this Swiss franc JPY, you can see that our trend on Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much trending to the upside. This is a very much bullish move. Now, guys, take a look at this movement right here. This is our first high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually push up again to give us a new higher high, and this is our higher low. Markets then was able to push up again to give us a new higher high, right? Now here comes the higher low. Guess what market is doing? Market is going to continue that movement. It is able to form a new higher high. Although it came here and formed an equal high right here. This is an equal high. Now this is a pullback the market has given us. So one more push up again is what we will be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So we will be anticipating for some sort of a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY, and that bullish move should clear this or high the market is currently at. So guess what? A movement to the upside is what we'll be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.